Okay, sorry.
Go to the dog park.
You want to go to the dog park? Okay, let's go. Look how cute this is. Hi, Jakey. Jacob. Yeah, the dog. Jakey, are we at the dog park? He's actually loving life. Say hi. Jacob is literally loving life here at the dog park. It is the cutest thing. Hi, Jakey. You're gonna get down. Okay, let's get down. Go. Photos or videos? Jacob. Luna's around somewhere.
Yeah, good boy, Jacob.
See ya. Go.
Okay, so we were like walking around and whatever, and then this dog, he comes circling us and whatever, and Angela was like, oh, is that Lexi, the dog that we always see here?
Yeah.
When we come, and then me and Alyssa, we're like, no, that's not Lexi. And then this girl, the owner, she comes up and she's like, yeah, that's not Lexi. I don't know who
That's
Lexi
Pepper.
is. That's Pepper. And then I was like, oh, do you have any salt?
Oh, I get that.
And then she's just like, and walks off. And then we walked up to her and we said sorry. And then she's like, okay. Like,
I don't think she was really in the mood today.
and I was like,
Probably not.
okay. And she walked off.
Maybe she's heard that joke before a few times, maybe. Yeah.
Hey, we're back, guys. We're making sushi in the kitchen. Becca, do you have any cups?
Yeah, get them from the cupboard.
The whole cupboard is full of my cups.
She comes in, she's like, everything in the house is on themed. It's pretty fair.
It makes it longer.
this thing where she makes this really weird like cake sort of thing. So right now we're going to be...
Yeah, we're going to try...
attempt to try and make it again.
Yes.
Alright, we're going to do this quick. Okay, so we have self-raising flour. This is actually heavier than it looks.
We need an egg.
Look at that, it's probably in the fridge.
There.
Just one.
Yeah, we just need from this one.
Yes.
I'm going to tip the bowl itself into the microwave.
Tip it in.
And I'll do this. Should be good. Jazz, you gonna do the vanilla? Right.
Can I mix? No, it will each do it to me. Okay, so I'm going to stop. I'll show you just pour it in the cup.
You do that. That's good, that's good.
Okay, so now we're just using the excess butter and we're just mixing it all over. Hey Angel, could you give me that rubber thing?
Can I have the excess of what's in the bowl?
No, rubber thing, this thing. We have the perfectest cake bowl ever.
I'll just hold it for you.
No, Jasmine.
I'm gonna eat it.
Now we're going to put it in here as a microwave. Film it.
And in the cup. How long do we put it in? 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
We're back, guys.
Our cake has spoken and it is now out of the microwave.
Oh gosh. And it's probably gonna end up in the bin very soon.
Look, it is so spongy and good.
Actually,
really tough. Show you, look, it's so spongy. Okay, so now we're just going to try and
get like a fork or something. And also, guys, if you want any cakes like anytime,
making a
go onto
sandcastle.
like Instagram or whatever, and you will find so like search up Florence and Marble because that's our auntie's business baker, and she has like the most amazing cakes.
So now we need a knife. Can I have a knife?
Oh, so we need to get it out first.
Yeah, we need a knife. Gosh, look at how beautiful and fluffy our cake is.
Let's ice it.
We'll ice it. We have to ice it when it cools down.
I can't believe
It smells so good.
Also, it can be a banana cake.
Look at it. It is so beautiful.
Florence and Marble cake design from Becca, and I'm going to show you some of the cakes now that she's made. So if you want, like, if you ever need a cake, you can do weddings, birthday parties, anything. Okay, so look at this. That's one. That's like some other pictures of the cake. And that was for my Holy Communion. Wasn't that for my Holy Communion? No.
Like,
I don't know what that was for, but that's a cake she made. She made that one for a wedding.
well, I wouldn't have guessed.
She made this one for a christening. That's another one for a christening. She made this one. I'm not sure. I think it was for a wedding.
it was for your...
That was for my birthday party. She made this like really cool cake for Hollywood, red carpet.
Our cakes and
For this birthday one, that's like a part of it.
so cool. Oh, where's Becca? Show her.
She made this one for a baby shower. This one for a wedding. This one for that. And I'm going to show you guys much more cakes. But first you've got to go and you've got to check it out on Instagram. Now let's go get Becca's reaction.
She said that we could put whipped cream on our cake.
Yeah, she's got whipped cream.
We can use it like
Does she have any whipped cream?
She said she'll make some.
Oh, she'll make whipped cream for us.
Where's LJ?
Is it?
Why would you?
We're microwave. This has been zapped. This has been radio television.
It's very chewy. Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Give me some.
I don't think it's supposed to be good.
Oh. Very chewy. Extremely.
So can you marry the ketchups for me?
Yep.
So she hired like the freeze everything and she got like a certain
Did you have a good sleep?
to marry the ketchups.
Sleep, yeah.
And just went like
You have some more?
Guys, you ready to make the deep corn stove? The other kids are awake now.
Okay, well, can we start on the brownies?
Yes, we can.
Is it the
Do you want some brownies? The girls are going to make us some yummy brownies. Do you want some brownies? Yeah. And then do you want to make pancakes later? Yeah. Alright, favourite thing about your mum, go.
So my favorite thing about my mom is that she's different.
She's different.
She's good.
Okay.
I was gonna say that one, but I guess not.
Caring and funny. My favorite thing about Dad is that once Dad and Jasmine were at Bunnings, and then I FaceTimed Jasmine, and then she was like, "Oh my God, there's these flamingo lights," and I'm like in love with flamingos. So I was like, get them, and I kept begging Dad, and he's like, "All right, fine." So he got me flamingo lights.
Oh, nice. Very cool. Alright. Alyssa, favourite thing about your parents? Proper answers.
For Daddy,
He's always very funny and cool. And then Mummy, I love how she shows affection to me. That's like a lot.
Aww, that's cute. Cute answers. Alright, now next question.
Wait, I have something else to say about Dad also.
Okay, go.
So Elisa said her dad was cool. Yeah. Our dad can be like really like just hide in the corner that because he'll play like the weirdest music and like blast it, turn all the windows down when there's assembly going on our school so everyone can hear it. There was one second song like all I ever want to do is he chose that song. He put it all the way up, took all the windows down and played it during.
There was an assembly happening at school, and I remember we were crossing the road for school, and he turned the volume up, and he started partying to the music.
That sounds like Uncle James, that's for sure. Alright, next question. What's your favourite thing about each other? So, Jazzy, you have to say favourite thing about Angel and favourite thing about Alyssa.
Jasmine is always so funny. Like,
I don't really want to hear.
too funny.
Too funny.
Will you shit?
And then Angelina.
Alright, Alyssa, favourite thing about Jasmine?
She did. She's very funny.
Alright, favourite thing about Angel?
Is that she is very unique.
Favourite thing about Alyssa?
So my favorite thing about Alyssa
Obviously,
is
everything.
I'll come back to her.
Everything. She said everything. That's the proper
My favorite
answer.
thing about Angelina
Yeah?
my favorite thing about Angelina is she doesn't like she's unique, like she's
Everything.
funny and cute.
Good morning, Lucas. Alright.
She's funny.
Morning,
Everything I love about Alyssa.
Alright, Angel, your turn.
She is everything about me.
No, I like that you're creative and that you try a lot and you're not really afraid. You're very brave.
Nice
Like
answer,
you'll do
Angel.
anything.
Nice answer, Angel.
I like how artistic.
How artistic she is. Nice answer. Nice answer.
Hey guys, we're back and today we're gonna make some brownies. We got all of our ingredients. We're gonna make these brownies. So all the dry ingredients.
Stuff it all in there.
Can I do one after? Yeah, you can find a dry ingredient.
I'll do the salt.
Okay.
There's not really salt, but you know what?
Wait,
Wait, can I pull that one in? Yes.
chocolate chips is dry. Go, yeah?
Okay, is chocolate chips dry?
That's it.
I'll get another bowl for the wet.
Now you guys need to whisk it all together. Get a whisk this up.
You mix those together and then we need to put all the wet ingredients in one. Okay, so now the wet ingredients.
That's it. Whisk it.
Can I put the oil?
So they're nice.
And do we add the
So wet ingredients, yeah, all the wet stuff, whatever was wet. What happened yesterday?
No, don't. Becca, is this good?
Is that all wet? The oil and the eggs and the oil? Yeah. Perfect.
Becca, is this good?
Yeah.
Just, can I mix with you? Okay. Do we have another whisk?
Yeah, and then
Can I have a turn? Because I think you're going.
bottom drawer, second drawer, third drawer.
Hey!
Okay, the little one's good. Oh, that
I
one's
get them. Just can I whisk?
You need three whisks, baby. You don't need three. Angel can start mixing them all together. So what does the recipe say? Turn the page over, guys.
Yeah, we'll make all the dry mix over the wet mix and stir until combined.
Alright,
So now get the dry mix.
over the wet mix.
And then can I mix it?
Yeah, Angel can mix it. Alyssa, you've done a lot of mixing. Angel can mix.
So you have to whisk while you're pouring it in. Okay, I know.
I think your sandwiches is on.
It's getting like really hard now.
Now take the whisk out now and you gotta use a spatula.
Beck, what is going on this morning? What are we doing? What are our plans for today?
It says whisk.
Doggy! Jacob's like doggy! We are making
I
brownies
use the
and then we're
spatula?
gonna make pancakes for breakfast. We've just hung out, had a nice slow morning, enjoyed these kitties, and now they're making brownies all on their own. Yeah, scrape it off.
Now they might turn out awful. We don't.
Perfect. How do you guys feel about that?
Horrible.
Looks quite okay. I'm feeling pretty like iffy. What's it called? So yesterday we went to the dog park.
Yes.
You might say something.
Tell me what we found out after the park.
Thank you for making. So when I had hurt myself last time we went to the dog park, I didn't hurt myself. This dog came and ran into me, and I couldn't walk because it really hurt.
Yeah.
And so this kind lady at the excuse me, boy, are you?
Very nice.
This kind lady at the park, I was telling her what happened, and then she goes, "Oh yeah, that's Hugo." So now we know the name, and next time he comes, she could tell us the address.
Alright, where's that going?
The dog collar.
I reckon, and Josie, ooh, you can spoon that in there now. Let me get you a spatula.
I am decorating the brownies in a smiley face.
And a smiley face.
Yes.
Yeah, just put it in. Go.
So cute.
Perfect. Slide it right in the middle. Perfect. Good job.
Now we wait.
You're welcome. They smell so good. Good morning, you guys. It has been a little while since I've actually like sat down and talked to you guys properly, but that's because it was just like such a busy weekend. So probably would have seen we had a big sleepover with my nieces and nephews. So we had my brother's 5 kids come and stay, and then we had my sister's 3 kids as well. So we had them sleep over on Saturday night, which was like honestly the best time ever. Like it is so cute, like having them all and seeing them all play together and seeing them all like get along. It's like, I know, this is the sweetest thing. So Jess stayed with me. Amanda came as well on Saturday night, but she didn't end up sleeping, she left. So yeah, we just like spent the whole pretty much Saturday afternoon night with the kids. Took them to the dog park. They came over, took them to the dog park, and then we came home. They wanted to make homemade sushi, so we made homemade sushi. Linda's just actually staring at me. I'll try and show you her. So we made homemade sushi, and then they wanted to like watch a movie, so we did like a movie night, and it was just such a good night. And the next morning we woke up. I woke up to the girls like baking like mug cakes or like cakes in the microwave. So I just did some baking, then we made brownies and did like breakfast and did like toasted sandwiches for breakfast, and just like hung out and played with them till they all got picked up like Saturday morning. But yeah, Sunday morning, sorry. But yeah, it was such a nice weekend. So, but then after they left, me and Jess, the house was like honestly pretty messy. So we just got stuck into cleaning the house for a little bit, and then we honestly both were so tired because we didn't sleep till really late on Saturday night, and then woke up really early on Sunday morning. So we both just literally had like crashed out, had a shower, crashed out for a couple hours, and then got up. I didn't film anything yesterday afternoon, so I kind of wasn't really in the mood to film anything. I kind of just wanted to like hang out with Jess, have a really nice slow afternoon. So what did we do? Yeah, so we just had a good nap, and then we watched, watching this show. It's really good. It's called, I don't know what it's called. It's on Netflix, chocolate something. It's about like where there's like a pastry, like all these pastry chefs get together and they, you know, create, it's a competition to who can create like these, you know, amazing chocolate showpieces and stuff. So that has been so cool to watch. So I've been watching that, and then yeah, we honestly just like had some dinner, took the dogs out again to the dog park at night, and then just, yeah, that's it. I had a shower and went to bed. So yeah, that was our day yesterday. I just wanted to fill you guys in because I feel like I haven't talked properly since like at all. I didn't even know if I talked properly like while the kids were here, because it was just pretty full on and trying to like juggle all the kids and do stuff with them and be present with them. I did record like us and stuff, but you know, but yeah, anyway, that's what the weekend looked like. So today I'm going to get up. I've just been snuggling with these pups. Little Nala, I don't know if you can see her down there. Just been snuggling with these pups, and then we're going to get up, take them for a walk, and then come home, do some cleaning. And I've got like, I want to finish, I need to do a little bit more work on the part 2 for Byron Bay vlog, which you guys will already be up obviously by the time you see this. And then start editing all the stuff from the weekend, like all the content from the weekend. And then, yeah, just like a bunch of random other little things. Like I have a whole bunch of stuff I want to take to the salvos. And I just post a few things up for sale that I'm not using anymore. Like that's just been sitting around the house that I really don't use anymore. Just like random odd jobs here and there. But that's the plan for today. Oh, and then Jesse's coming over later today. We're gonna have lunch together. So yeah, I'm trying to have a really productive morning, like editing, taking the pups for a walk, and doing some jobs around the house. So yeah, that's the plan.
Bye.
Bye.